Hi, my name is Nathan D'Souza, and I'm a recent graduate of Sunmarke School. This August, I'll be attending the University of Toronto in Canada, and during the summer, I participated in Sunmarke's Synergy Internship program. During this internship program, I got to experience a variety of different avenues, whether it may be digital marketing, email marketing, physical marketing, or even social media. These really helped me to get a strong foundation in these avenues where I got to explore a variety of different projects, whether it be research or physical, which really helped me in my future. Once again, a huge thank you to Sunmarke and their marketing department in specific, who really helped make this internship program a lot more enjoyable and very useful for my future. Thank you.